Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix. When you think of Jaguars, you think of that sexy two-seater sports car that's just road-going and has such a great history in not just racing, but also as an iconic vehicle. Well, today it looks like the end of the Jaguar sports car, at least the V8 powered one, is here. 75 years of Jaguar, but the history is so important. Let's take a look at some of the cars that made this vehicle what it is and today's special edition. The 1950 Jaguar XK 120 was an open two-seater. This was the car that established Jaguar's motorsports credentials. The secret of the XK 120's competition success was its extremely rugged chassis, the extraordinary reliability of its new 3.4-liter twin-cam engine, and the lightweightness of its all-alloy body. Later production cars were built from steel. Its only weakness was its brakes, with heavy wear rates and susceptible to fade. This car is the 1953 NUB 120 and was raced and came back to Jaguar and is currently unrestored. Today, NUB 120 is maintained in full working order and can often be seen at classic car events supporting the marque whose reputation it did so much to establish. The 1961 Jaguar E-Type Series 1 3.8-liter is the first production open two-seater E-Type. At the launch of the E-Type at the Geneva Motor Show in March of 1961, two cars were served as press demonstrators. One of them was this car, 77 RW, built in February 1961 as the first production open two-seater. It was famously driven out to Geneva in a dramatic 17-hour overnight run by Jaguar's test and development engineer through the night to get to Geneva. It is now the oldest surviving open E-Type. The E-Type was in many ways developed from Jaguar's successful racing D-Type, which had won the Le Mans race 3 times from 1955 to 1957. Originally intended as a racing car, the E-Type eventually emerged as a road-going sports grand touring car and in motor racing. The E-Type, or XKE as it's known in North America, caused a sensation when revealed in Geneva, offering a two-seater roadster or a fixed-head coupe. The iconic design was a result of Malcolm Sayers' obsession with aerodynamics and combining it with a 265 horsepower 3.8-liter triple carburetor version of the XK engine. It was capable of doing 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds. In 1964, the XK's development increased to 4.2 liters, and then in 1966, a 2+2 fixed-head coupe joined the lineup. In the Series 3 form, E-Type became the first Jaguar to use the new all-aluminum 5.3-liter V12 engine, which developed an effortless 272 horsepower and set new benchmarks for smoothness and refinement. The 2005 Jaguar XK is a two-door 2+2 Grand Tour automobile manufactured from 1996 to 2014. It was available in a hatchback coupe or convertible body style across 2 generations. The XK was introduced at the Geneva Auto Show in March of 1996 and was discontinued in July of 2014. The first generation was marked as the XK8, replaced with the XJS, and was Jaguar's first 8-cylinder model. The second generation of the XK, noted for its aluminum monocoque chassis and construction, was launched in 2006. The XK Performance variant was introduced in both of its generations, and the second generation, the powerful XK RS variant. This is the same body style as raced in the Trans Am series cars from 2000 to 2004. The next generation, the F-Type, debuted in 2014. The F-Type offered modern performance, luxurious grand touring experience, and everyday reliable sports car touring. The Jaguar F-Type is the definitive Jaguar sports car from rich bloodlines spanning 75 years. The final version is called the 75 Edition. This is the last of the sexy V8 powered coupe and convertibles. Sadly, the F-Type will be ending its run in 2024. This is the close to a 75-year history for Jaguar. To celebrate the final model year of the F-Type and 75 years of Jaguar sports cars, customers can choose the F-Type 75 or the F-Type R75 editions, powered by Jaguar's supercharged 5-liter V8 engine with 444 horsepower, or the R, which has 575 horsepower. They're offered in coupe and convertible models and rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. These final models will feature unique interior and exterior design elements and unique paint colors of Jaola green and metallic. Jaguar combustion engines may be gone as they transition to pure electric modern luxury brand in 2025. Sadly, we have the end of the sexy sports car from Jaguar, but they're supposed to be coming out with another sports car in the future. I just don't think it's going to be V8 powered, maybe a plug-in hybrid, maybe all electric. But in the meantime, if you're thinking about owning a Jaguar, the collectibles, it's going to be the last edition or an E-Type, depending upon what your budget holds. If you got value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. If you have any questions about the Jaguars that we've shown you today, please put them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer them, and we can reminisce about our own experiences with Jaguars, what we saw, what we know, what we love about them. If you want to support our channel, you can buy me a cup of coffee. The link for that is down below, as well as for the website, the podcast, the book, and our social media. Thank you so much for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.